ground in a street fight. A lot of times you fall down, you slip, and you're on the ground. What's the proper way to get up? I want to be on one of my hips. In this case, I'm going to be on my right hip. From here, I have to be wary of Brittany throwing roundhouse kicks to my face, different things like this. I'm guarded though, but I can move around this way. But I want to be on my right hip. But my right hip, I want to be on it to where at any moment I can jump up, because the weight isn't going to be on my left. From here, I'm pushing back, and this is going to be, get him to go back. I can do all sorts of maneuvers from here. I can switch it, I can kick. We're going to get into that move later, but that is an option that we have here. Just rolling and kicking, but I'm here. Now from here, the weight's going to come back. I'm up to my stance. Gaining distance, right to my stance.